We'll see whole assembly of a screw conveyor. This is a screw conveyor. So now started with the assembly parts. I'm inserting parts. First base structure. Yeah, it's coming. Click OK. Okay, I'll change in the background and refreshing it. Yeah, color is appearing. Now I'm saving it. Screw conveyor ASM, basically short form of assembly. Now I'm calling to body this structure, the motor support. I'm attaching with the face. Here. Yeah. Weight mat. I'll selecting the both face and this both face. Yeah, it's appeared in center. Now I'm moving this in position and applying copy with mates, refreshing it. Basically my graphics I think is not working properly, so that's it's showing sometime it's a whole square blocks type of thing. Okay, now I'm sliding the part, adjusting the part. Perfect. Basically this part is skip in the videos, so the dimension is 40 by 40. If you want to make it, I'll provide to the link also. Here is the body. Now I'm rotating this thing because the front hopper and it is on front motor side. Now I'm selecting the bottom and control, select this face and apply mate. Yeah. Now I'm selecting two holes, selecting with the control panel, applying the concentric mate. Okay. Now I'm applying one parallel mate. Here I select both faces and parallel mate. Now it's perfectly good. Now I'm going to insert some other part, like shaft is comfortable. Now apply mate. I'll apply width mate first. Select upside and bottom side, and then I select the shaft pipes upside and downside. Yeah, perfectly. It's a bigger bar is upside, so I'm rotating this thing. Yeah, perfectly. Basically bigger shaft is for pulley, both pulley we attach with the both pulley, so that's why it's downside always. I'll apply concentric mate. Go. Yeah, perfectly. Now I'm calling the cover. Basically we call mounting plate. I'll apply the concentric mate. Here's the same. Control, select both thing and if you make all parts is easy to access, like only applying the mates and everything. After assembling every parts, we see how to make a belt and last nut bolting system. Now same thing I'm doing, copy with mate with the mounting plate. Here copy with the mates. Now I'll select, okay, continue, select the center, repeated portion is, don't need to select again. Here I selected the face, the part is up here. Now for locking the part, I'll selecting one circle, small circle. Yeah, perfectly. I think this video will be longer because so many parts is there need to assemble. So I'll set the lightweight. Okay, lightweight assembly, it's not showing properly. Okay, perfect. Now I'll call into bearing, flange bearing 207. Here you can change appearance according to your comfort. Yeah, here I fix to the faces and screw hole positions. I think my graphics is not properly because the parts is so more. Here I'm rotating something. Yeah, select the screw holes, not bolt holes, apply concentric mate. Yeah, it's perfectly mates. Now I'll do the same, copy with mates, click OK. Same hole are same, so I repeat it, select this face for concentric. Now okay, this thing is perfectly come. Now what we call, just hopper is comfortable, housing is comfortable. Yeah, so now I'm rotating this thing. Bearing, I'll fix bearing first. Okay, now select this face, bottom side face. Okay, lower face and inside the housing. Now I'll apply the same, copy with mates. My system is not with me, I think it's not working properly, it's lagging type of thing. Yeah, but don't worry, I'll complete today this thing. After this I select the outer body circle and select the inner circle, apply the concentric mates. Here I select the faces. Okay, now I select the face, this face. I want to try something but it was not worked, so Okay, it's complete. Now I'm calling to things. Inlet fin. Here I'll select the shaft. First I'll apply one width mate. And I'm selecting the so it's coming where it is. It's not coming, I think. No, here it is. So now I'm applying the circular mate. Both circle. Now it's coming comfortable. Perfect. Now what we do? It's taking so much time, guys. I'll inserting the cover of this. Basically cover is 2 mm bigger than shaft outer dia, so don't worry about it, but the whole position is same. It's yeah. Now I'm selecting the both faces and align with the whole, maintaining concentricity. Now select the both faces and apply concentric mate. Okay, done. Now here we are going perfectly. Now we'll see what happens in the ahead. Now I am calling to one more assembly, is opener assembly. Basically it's used to open and close the inlet material in the shaft. So I'm applying one more time concentric mate and apply one parallel mate. Select this face and I'll select any faces. Yeah, it is comfortable. Apply parallel mates. Basically assembly is so high now, so that's why everything is going slowly. Even I am also irritating. Now we'll apply the some distance mate. Okay, selecting this thing, this face. Now my minimum dimension is 1 mm and maximum dimension is 135. Minimum I'll still the same. Now it's okay. Now checking. Need to check. Yeah, it's going upside and downside perfectly. Okay. Here one screw is mounting in the opener top. There will be locked with the net. Here is a hopper. Hopper is simple geometry. Just fix the edges to edges. Don't worry. Here I'll select the bottom and top by using control button. Now I'll fixing the edges to edges. Same thing. Yeah. It's very easy geometry if you made every parts, so it's easy to assemble. Now I'm calling a motor here. Maybe every parts will be done, I think. Motor and pulleys remain only. And the motor is coming, so along this motor I'll apply width mate here, and I'll select the base edges. Now it's in center. After applying pulley, we adjust the height, how much height we required over here. Now everything is good. Yeah. Okay. We'll go to the parts and call this pulley. Yeah, 12 inch. Basically, this is a very big pulley. This thing we also do by chain and gearbox mechanism, but pulley is better and cheaper. I'll apply some distance, 15 mm is comfortable. Yeah. I'll align with the key to key. Basically we have keyholes in shaft and pulley also, so I'll align to the pulley and key, both things. That thing, this is a rotating part in our screw conveyor. This pulley is rotating whole screw by taking power from the motor. Now I'm applying second one pulley. Second is 5 inches pulley. It is working or not, I'll see. Yeah. Now I'm calling to one more pulley. It's 5 inches. Yes. Okay. Same process. I'm just applying concentric mates and align with keyholes to keyhole. After applying every pulley, we adjust the sizes where we want, how much height we want. Now perfectly good. I'm hiding this because of I need to lock this keyholes to keyhole. Now it's parallel mate. Okay. Perfect. I'm doing slowly. Basically I'm not doing slowly, but my system is because of heavy assembly, it's working slowly. So I'm calling one more pulley over here for fins, inlet fins. The 4 inches pulley. Same thing I am applying with this concentric mates together. Something is wrong, I think. Checking. Things have aligned together. Adjusting the size, height of this. Basically, both pulleys are attached to V-weld, so we need to align the pulleys. Yeah, basically we have hole inside the pulley, so I think we lift more than, yeah, here we lift more than. Okay, now we appear our shaft inside the pulley. Now I'll apply one mate over here. Okay, now everything is perfect, I think. Yeah, align together. Now we need remains one pulley. If I rotate one thing, its second one is rotated, not, because we don't apply any belts and everything. So now the last pulley is coming, 3-inch. It's fit in motor, and we have only model of this motor, so we can't align with the keyholes. Only we apply concentric mates and height only adjust. Selecting both faces. No. I'll adjust this thing first. Okay, now I'm adjusting the height, how much I want. Okay, this thing is perfectly good for motor, and now I'll provide the full dimension. Distance only 2 mm. Okay, now I lock the motor height where I want and everything. After that we apply only pulley. So this model almost completed by using only assembly. The remaining portion is belt and nut bolt connections. So the assembly is too heavy, so lacking every time, so I'm setting the lightweight first. And apply some mates over here. Width mate only. And this upside face, and basically if you are applying the width mate, and in the width mate you have 2 faces and 1 circle, it's automatically detect and come to center. Same thing we do with another one. Okay, it's automatically coming. Now everything is perfect. Good. Every parts are assembled together. Now we need only belt. Okay, so look first. Okay, perfect. First we provide the hole, and then we'll start belt, applying belt. Here is one hole is remaining. The hole is in our structure, but not in angle, so we'll apply here. I'm just convert entity. I'm doing just convert entity and apply hole. This hole is appear only in assembly, not in part. If you want, okay, if you want this appearance parts you need to make as a separate and do same thing in part. The system is lagging so much, so I think this is taking time. If you want to do if you want to increase the speed, you can do, not to worry about that. Here is a hole is showing. Now perfectly done everything. One part is not coming. Where it is? Come. It's hide only, you can. Not showing. So every part is coming right now. Everything is perfect. Pulley is aligned. Everything is locked. And now I'm rotating this pulley. So my screw is also rotating. So everything is perfect. Now we'll start a belt. Okay. Because of some graphics error, because of high assembly, it's showing the blocks over here. Okay, skip these things. I'm showing something. Just pulley, if it is working, then good. Okay. It's rotating again. We don't apply right now belt now, so that's why it's not connected together. We suppress something. It's perfectly working. After suppressing, it's working because of, I think, the large assembly. That's why it's not working properly. I suppress some bearings and everything. So I'll select belt and applying here. Select the two faces. Now this yellow line is appearing. This is a belt length, and after it's showing here, I'm doing the same thing for this. I'm selecting both things, the circular body and the circular pulley here. It's showing. Here is, you can show your length 1485.55. This is a belt length always showing. Now it's connected together. I am going to rotate it. Yeah, it's rotate properly. Okay, now yeah, it's working everywhere. Okay, now refresh this thing and make belts body. Basically we have only sketch, so we need to go here, belt part. I'm opening the part file, and this is the part file, belt length. This is only path. I'm selecting one plane over here for drawing. Draw some sketches for belt. So I'm selecting this thing as drawing one sketch, making one sketch, and after that let's see what happens going on. Make plane. Yeah, it's perfectly come, but not fully defined right now. I'm just giving the dimension 7. Okay, now it's moving. It's not fully defined right now. I'm applying make point. It's not working. side. Okay, got it. Now I delete everything and apply one appearances here, both things, and yeah, perfectly. Okay, normal, making sketch. Now it's fully defined right now. Here I'm making one sketch. This is a belt dimension. If you want to take from the Google, you can also do this thing. I'm doing as a base of pulleys, 15 height, and the corner will be joint, and the T will be construction line, and I'm making one curve, 3-point arc. The radius is now applying the same 15 mm. Now I'm just doing one swipe boss base because we have two sketches. Go to the feature, swipe boss base, swift boss base. I'm selecting the sketch and path. Here is showing belt. I'm changing the appearance. Basically I pick the blue appearance. You can, as your comfort, you can choose another appearance, no problem. After I'm making one plane because we have double groove pulley. Here I'm taking the dimension. The dimension is the distance between grooves. I'm mirroring the body, same things. Just select a plane and go to the body. Here is a body. After merge solids is disappear. Make sure everything is good. Now here we have two belts. Now we exit from this sketch. Okay, here is the one problem. So the mirror is another side too, I think. So we need to go again. Open the file and just rotate the dimension, flip the dimension over here. Okay, perfectly. Everything's going good. Now save it, and here is boom. The perfectly belt is fitting in the pulleys. Now if you rotate one thing, every pulleys will be rotate. Yeah. Now same thing we're doing for bigger pulley, bigger belt. Same thing, making sketch and taking reference, planes, everything. Okay, I'm just calling to here is both shaft and screw will come. Now I'll rotating, I'll show you everything is perfectly working. Now okay, by the way, this things is working. Now we'll make one more pulleys, one more belt over here. So we'll go, I'm hiding again these things. We'll go over here, just slide it and open the part. Part is showing always the belt inside the belt feature. I'm hiding the I'm just copying the sketch because I don't want to do again these things. Here is sketch for smaller pulley. I'm just selecting all things and Control C. After completing these things, I'll just exit everything from everywhere and going in the belt to beer belt. Open the file. Same thing I'm doing, just selecting one reference line, going to feature, select a reference line plane, point, and which direction I want. I'll just select this line, sketch and Control V. Here everything is coming. Now I'll move everything, just move command, pick from this point to this point. It's not matching. I think that the same problem we are facing. Now we'll select this point and this point. Now here one showing the perfectly. So now I take exit from the sketch and go to the feature, sweep boss base we are doing. Now I am picking the sketch and path. The sketch and the path. You can select by the sketch only, no problem. Here appearance I will apply, and same thing. I am taking one reference line, one reference plane. Same thing, flip. But last time we did one mistake, so that's why I don't want to take mistake again. Select the plane and body, remove from the merge solid, click search, hide it this plane, and well, going back to our now taking exit from this. Now here is our both thing is coming. Now it's looking beautiful, but my graphics is creating so much problem. I'm rotating this thing. It's perfectly going without any error, without anything. Guys, if you do this thing now, I'm just showing something like everything. I'm just refreshing this thing because one and two parts are not coming. Where it is? Okay, so it's hide, suppress these things. I'm just selecting whole things which are suppressed and click the right and unsuppress it. So everything is appear where everything. Okay, everything is hide. So I'm going to hide, show and hide components and select everything. It's automatically appears. Now I'm refreshing this thing and my color will be showing. Okay. So everything is come. Now my screw conveyor is ready. Only one thing is remains is connections. There is nut bolting. I think it's take time, so I'll show you something. This is an animated thing. I made it and then apply it. Now it's a time to nut bolting. Now we are inserting the bolts, nut and bolts. So here I'll open the toolbox, IS, bolts, hexagonal bolts, and I'm fixing this bolt. So the size is 8 mm or 9 mm hole diameter, and I'm applying the M8 bolt. Length is 20 mm, and downside I apply the one nut. So same here just point on the circle and move on the faces. It's automatically come. Yeah, here, here. Now that's it. So this is the bullets. I am making one folder one by one, I think. So here I'll select hole, bolted bolts, and make one folder. Click right click, select all, right click. Here is a add to new folder. Folder name is M8 and 20 length. Yeah, bolt. This is perfect. Okay, we will create like this only. So now this thing is done. Here I'll apply 3 bolts. Same thing, point on circle, hole, and move cursor from the faces on faces. It's directly identify how much hole dia and how much I want bolt size. If your dia is 7 mm, it's automatically deduct 6 M6 bolt. So that's it. Completed our 3 bolts. Now we're going to move forward. Select all, right click, make one, add a new folder, add to new folder. Yeah, now here I'll apply bolt M8, same, M6 and 20 length, M6 into 20, and move this bolt is upside because it's smaller one, so that's why. Now I'm going to apply some other. I need to hide something. I'm hiding whole thing and recalling only 2 plates because our assembly is so heavy. Okay, here I'll apply bolts. Same, open toolbox. It's deduct M10. Length I want 30 mm because it's bolting over here. Same I'm applying for the 4 holes. That's it. Now it's perfect. Okay. Now I'm applying the bolt or nut over here. For 4 bolts I apply the nuts. Here one mistake is occur, so I'll skip this, and yeah, it's perfectly come. I rotate this thing and apply. Now I'll delete this one. So it's perfectly coming, everything. Now I'll select all and put in one folder. Make a new folder. Bolt M10. Length is into 30 mm. Now this is a nut M10. Now I'll also add it as net M10. Now it's perfect. Now it's time to unhide every parts. Now I'm applying Again, nuts over here, pick hole and one face. It's detect automatically. It's not happening, I think. Okay, M12 30 mm length. We'll do it, apply one after some time. Okay, here same, circle, face, basically my graphics is not detecting quickly, I think. Here circle, this face, don't worry, when this bolt I will delete after some time. Here circle and one face, just come automatically. Now I deleting this thing, and one mate I need to apply at the first. Here. Now selecting the bottom head of the bolt and this face. Okay. Now here everything is going smoothly. Now I'll again make one folder hiding everything, and I need to apply bolts, nuts, so that's why I'm unhiding these things. Bolts are up here, and now I'm applying the nuts. Select the circle and face. Yeah, it's come. M12, perfect. Here also, circle, face, circle, face, circle, face. Okay, now I am going to unhide everything again, and after that we need to make one folder. Here is nut categories and bolt categories, so I'll selecting 4 and again make one bolt folder, M12 into 30. Now this is M12, I'll select 4 of them and make one folder for net M12. M12, yeah, perfect. That's it. We are going to do for every connections. Now we're going to hide again. Now this is, I think, our last and final call. This plate, and one remains is motor and motor mounting bar structure. Now here the same bolt we will apply. Here go to the bolt. It's detecting how much my dia was. It's M12, but like the length is different, 40 mm, because the plate size is bigger, so that's why. Select a hole and face, same thing, hole, face, hole, face, hole, face. Completely done. For upside I'm again doing for round side. Here one bolt is appearing. I'll delete after some time. This thing, I'm doing same things. One bolt is remain here. Yeah. Now I am doing the same thing for motor. It's not coming perfectly. Okay, skip this. If not coming perfectly, skip this. After that, we'll delete this thing and again we recall it again. Don't break the link. We are meeting together now, so that's why. If you break once, you need to recall again and again bolts, so that's why. Now I'll delete every default bolts. This bolt, one bolt is this side and one bolt is upside. Okay, now here, yeah, it's perfectly coming. Now one bolt is upside here, so delete this thing also. Now every size is same, bolt length is same. So now I'm selecting whole thing, make one folder, same. I'll change only length, bolt M12 into 40. Now I need to apply nuts. Here we remain two things. So to move nuts we need to recall again. Same, everything is same. Basically we forget to unhide that things, so that's why we miss that structure, support, motor structure, motor support. So now according to your hole you need to select your bolt, but like it's depend on application also. I'm moving whole thing in M12 14. Yeah, it's going, I think, yeah, perfectly. One bolt is remaining where it is. How can I miss this? Okay, now again I move this. Again I need to apply nuts. Same, select a circular bar and face. I'm doing the same thing for every bolts. It's some graphic errors. It's coming perfectly but showing not properly. After we will exit from this command, it's showing properly. Yeah, now it's working. Guys, I'm also frustrated for this feature. It's coming again and again, so it's not coming properly. Just leave it. Okay. Here is coming. Here is coming. Fill the whole face. That's it. same thing. Here is face not identifying, so I'm applying over here only. Every nut and bolt should be positioned. Make sure. Just wait. I think everything is finished, only okay, this thing is remain. After that we will move these things in one folder, and I think this is our last step. Okay, everything is done. I'm seeing any mistakes. Now here is one mistake. I'll just flip this thing and make it together because this bolt is flip, I think. Yeah, now I'm making one meets this face to this face. It's come. Okay, perfectly. Everything need to move one folder. Part is so much, so that's why it's lagging, hanging, not proper visible, everything. Select this down shift button and this top of nut, so everything will be selected, and click right. I'm moving this nut M12 because every nut is M12. So now I made bolt M6, M8, M10, nut M10, bolt M12, nut M12. Now I'm appearing everything and seeing anything is missing, or like we apply everything. So according to me, I think nothing is remain. Okay, let's see once. Okay, one nut is required because we need to lock these things. I made only by helical, using helical. You can use only bolt, just remove the head only. When you tight full tight, your opener will be locked. Okay, now anything is remain. I'm just checking. So okay, everything is done. Now I'm showing from the web preview and open one motion. Okay, this thing is done. Top side, bottom side. Now I need to open one motion. Here it's working. Everything is coming perfectly. Model. I'm just showing you the views. 4 views in at one time. Front side, left, right, top, isometric. It is completely end here. If you have any doubt and query, just comment below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me.